And our crew's about to make their way in on final approach. It looks like they're going to go to the difficult dock side here, as they're going to go to starboard. But that wind and current today, it's been pulling from right to left across your screen. And as you can tell, it's overcast. We've had a couple storms roll through, making it difficult for most of these boaters. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats. And it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And things are getting out of hand quick. Our guy, he leaves the helm. He has to go do the push-off. And we did get somebody on the dock at least, but it just all happened too fast. He just went the wrong way on that one. And now we've got two people on the dock, two lines on the dock. We should be good to get this one tied up from here. But man, it's just one of those ones that just got away from him real quick. The current started pulling the boat. The next thing you know, you're smacking into another boat on the dock behind you. And here comes our crew on approach as well, and this crew's doing the same thing. They're going starboard side in. Let's see if the risk reward works for these guys. Cap's coming in a little hot, heavy bow in, which is probably what he needs to do because the current's trying to pull him the other way. Oh! They smacked the dock. Well, we gotta look at the replay on that one because they hit it good. But we still got a little work in front of us to try and get this one buttoned up as well. We've only got one line on the dock, and the stern's kicking out. Somebody's going to have to get the stern line. Cap leaves the helm. And we've got one in place, just nobody was willing to get up and toss it, so Cap had to leave. And here we go. Now our guys got two of them. They should be able to pull this one back up. And I'm just guessing Cap's probably going to walk over here now and take a look at the damage, because they hit that one pretty solid. Not 100% sure what this scene is here. So our crew, I mean, I guess he was getting the lines ready? That's a risky step right there, bro. Like one of those spots you can easily slip and fall. I mean, just that fiberglass can be slick. It doesn't take much at all. And as we mentioned, it's overcast. It's been raining. So Cap's back behind the helm, slowly backing in. Up. Get the push-off assist from his friend. Are we gonna miss? He puts it back into forward, but his buddy's trying to get off. Oh, buddy almost eats it, but he does get the save at the end. I don't even know what to say here. Bro, you're not even in the right spot. So there's obviously a boat right here on the left of our screen on the dock. They were trying to go to the right dock. Our guy dropped the starboard line. The starboard stern line, I should say, on the vessel. He was trying to walk up with two lines, but the lines weren't long enough. My man's not close enough to the dock. He's got his hands in the air like, what are you doing, bro? But bro, what are you doing? What a show. And our guy in the blue shirt on the dock, or in the boat on the left, he's kind of looking, he's waiting for it. He knows this boat's coming into him. He can see it coming already. This guy's going to hit me. What are you doing? He's going to jackknife the trailer. Our guy loses his shoe. So he's standing up now, the guy on the boat, because he's just waiting for the push-off. Oh no, he's going to try and pull out on this. I guess it worked, but what? I hope we're here when my man comes back to try and pull this boat out of the water. Please, for the love of God, let us still be here when my man comes back. So our crew's coming in on approach. They're going to go with the difficult dock approach as well. I don't know why everybody's going starboard today. Guys, pro tip, if you're approaching a dock, take 2 seconds, stop, see what the wind and current's doing, and let it work with you. I guess our guy's going to back in on this one now. Coming in hot, though. Look out, coming in. And he kind of gets the push off, but they hit. The crew jumped in to try and stop it quickly, but it was just too late. Mother Nature, wind and current pushing toward the dock. There was no stopping her. She was going to win. Where are you going, Cap? And Cap's leaving the boat completely. And hopefully our guy doesn't fall in trying to grab this line. And I think we'll be okay. I mean, they got both lines on the dock. Wonder if there's any damage. Cap keeps looking back and down now. Trying to get it back off that corner. There we go. Gets the push out, and our guy should be able to pull it around, and they should get it buttoned up from here. Nothing like a nice day out on the water as a couple, enjoying yourselves, spending time with your significant other. Kind of like this crew did here, but nothing wrecks that day faster than coming back in and trying to dock with your significant other. Hopefully this crew doesn't have that happen for them, but let's see how they do on approach. So Wifey looks ready. She's got the boat hook out. There's a lot of line free here, though. She's got a loop tied around the end. This is interesting. So I'm assuming she's just going to try and land it on a pole, and they'll pull themselves in, but there's just, the line's too loose on the bow. Cap's still coming forward. I can't tell if he's in gear or not, but the stern's starting to kick out. He goes for the one-leg approach. No, get back on the boat. And, man, the stern's kicked out. This one, I mean, it looked like it was well thought out. The plan just isn't executing the way they thought it was going to execute. So Cap's back behind the helm. He's going to have to give it a little bump to try and get the boat back over here. And Wifey's going to get to the back and handle that rear line. But in the end, it looks like things will work out okay. Maybe. Coming in, slow roll approach. Don't fall off the bow. And no, we go for the jump. And Cap looking for his stern line. Gonna toss it up. Oh no, now we're bowing to the dock. Banging around on it. He's gonna have to push it off. And it looks like they'll get it kicked out, be able to pull it around and get it put up. And speaking of getting it put up, we're going to put it up and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.